We now talk about bull spread with put options. Now since this is a bull spread, so the trader expects the price of the underlying to rise. So he buys a put option and he also sells a put option on the same underlying. So underlying could be a stock, commodity, or some financial instrument. And both these put options have the same expiration date. So trader buys the put with lower exercise price and sells a put with higher exercise price. And this strategy will limit the profit and loss potential of the trader. So let us see an example. So there are two puts trading. So the first put is this. It has exercise price of $95 and premium you pay is $3. And the second put has exercise price of $105 and the premium you pay is $9. So according to the strategy, the trader will buy put with lower exercise price. So he will buy one and sell two. So the trader buys the first put and sells the second put. So he gets a net profit of $6. So he has bought a put worth $3 and sold one worth $9. So 9 minus 3 will give you 6. Now if the market behaves as the trader expects, that is the price of the stock remains higher than $105, then no one is going to exercise the short put. So he has sold the second put and no one is going to exercise the second put. So the total profit which the trader makes is $6. Now if the price is precisely $95, then the trader cannot exercise this put 1 which he has bought. So he has bought this put 1, he cannot exercise it because the price is 95. So he cannot exercise his long put. But the put he has sold, this number 2 he has sold, this short put will be exercised at $105. So the person who he has sold the put to, he will buy the stock at the price of 95 from the market and sell it to our trader at 105. So the trader will suffer a loss of $10. So 105 minus 95 is the $10 loss which this trader will suffer because he sold a put which can be exercised at 105 and the price at expiration date is $95. But he also made $6. The trader also made $6 right here by indulging in buying and selling a put. So his net loss is 10 minus 6, 4, or you can say minus 10 plus 6 minus 4, does not matter. So this is the net loss of the trader. Now what if the price falls even below 95? If the price falls below 95, then the long put, that is put 1, will make money. So 1 will make money. But then also the other put, the short put, which is at 105, this will lose money for the trader. Because the person, if the stock price is below 95, the person who has the put at $105 will exercise it. So these two scenarios will cancel each other out. So loss and gain will cancel each other out. So for the trader who is exercising this option of bull spread with put options, he, given this example, he will suffer a maximum loss of $4 per share and maximum profit of $6 per share. Now we talk exactly the opposite position of this. So the opposite of bull spread with put options is bear spread with put options. Now here the trader expects the price of the underlying to drop. So if the price of the underlying drops, then the trader will make money. So what does he do? He acts exactly the same way. He buys a put option and sells a put option on the same underlying stock, commodity or financial instrument, and have the same expiration date. So the trader sells the put. Now here he sells the put with lower exercise price. So he sells the put with lower exercise price. Here the trader buys the put with lower exercise price, and here he buys a put with higher exercise price. So notice here he sells a put with higher exercise price. So exactly opposite. And the same strategy, this will limit the profit and loss potential of the trader. So again, say there are two puts trading in the market. Exercise price for the first put is $95 and premium you pay is $3. And for the second put, exercise price is $105 and the premium you pay is $9. So trader sells the first put, so he gets $3 and he buys the second one. So the net is minus $6. Now if the price of the stock remains higher than 105, then he will not exercise his long put. So this number 2 is his long put. He cannot exercise the long put. So the total loss is minus $6. So if the prices are above 105 and the person who bought number 1, so there is a person who bought this one, he also will not exercise because the share price in the market is 105. He is not going to buy at 105 and sell it to this trader for 95. So the person who bought the put was expecting the price to drop. On the other hand, if the price is precisely $95, then the trader exercises long put at $105. So he makes a profit of $10, and then his initial loss was $6. So 10 minus 6 gives him a net profit of $4. Now if the price falls much below 95, then this number 1 will lose money. So his short put will lose money, because the person who has this put at 95, if the stock price falls below 95, he will exercise it. On the other hand, this 105 will make money. This number 2 will make money. And these two will cancel each other out. So this will cancel out. So in this scenario, the maximum profit is $4 and maximum loss is $6. So notice that these two positions are exactly opposite of each other.